Hello students, next continuation student, that is strong reducing agent, that is HI in the presence of red phosphorus. This HI can reduce aldehydes and ketones and esters and acid chloride, everything student. So this HI can reduce aldehydes in the presence of red phosphorus student. What happens student, that is when acid, now take the example, when acetaldehyde react with HI in the presence of red phosphorus, it giving alkanes plus water plus I2 student. So here how many moles of what I said student, here how many moles of hydrogen iodide involved student, that is 4 moles of hydrogen iodide is involved. So here total left hand side 3 plus 1 4 plus 4 hydrogens are there, right hand side also same thing student, CH3 3 hydrogens here, 3 hydrogens here, 4 3 plus 3 6 plus 2 8, everything is balanced student. Here 2 moles of iodine. So I will explain mechanism student, I will explain mechanism reduction with hydrogen iodide, aldehydes reduction with hydrogen iodide, I will give explanation student. So now take the example, that is CH3 C double bond O H aldehyde, sorry, plus here in first step here 2 moles of iodines are involved student. In first step is 2 moles of hydrogen iodide is involved, 2 moles of hydrogen iodides are involved, 2 moles of hydrogen iodides are involved. So in first step now what to do student, here oxygen is there, here water elimination. In first step you remember student that CH3 C double bond OH acetaldehyde react with 2 moles of HI and HI. Here water is elimination student, there is removal of minus water H2O, removal of H2O. So now next step, now what to do student, this CH3 same thing, CH3 C downside as usual same hydrogen, and remaining here this hydrogen come attacking this position, this iodine attacking this position, we get that is iodine, and here also same thing iodine. That is this water is elimination. After that 2 iodines are left, the one iodine will attack this side and one more iodine will attack this side. Then after that student, after that again 2 moles of HI is react, 2 moles of HI, that is again 2 moles of HI, again 2 moles of HI involved. So in this reaction student, here these iodines are elimination complete, iodines are elimination, that means in this reaction complete iodines are elimination. Here also 1 2 3 4 minus 2 I2, 2 to the 4 iodines are elimination student. Remaining here also one hydrogen left, here also one hydrogen left, this hydrogen will combine this carbon and this hydrogen will combine with this carbon. So here what is the final production, we get that product is CH3 as usual same, this carbon already one hydrogen is there, one hydrogen from here, one hydrogen from here, one hydrogen from here, total 3 hydrogen. This is the mechanism of aldehydes reduction with HI in the presence of red phosphorus. In this reaction student, how many moles of iodines are involved student? In this first step is 2 iodines, 2 HI. In this first step is 2 HI, here also 1 HI, here also 1 HI. In this first step 2 moles of hydrogen iodide involved. In second step also same thing, here also 2 moles of hydrogen iodide also involved. So here total how many moles of iodines involved student? How many moles of hydrogen iodides are involved? So in this total reaction 4 moles of hydrogen iodides are involved, 4 moles of hydrogen iodides are involved student. This is a simple trick for mechanism student. Now take the example, one more example. Now take the acetone student. Now take the acetone CH3 C double bond COCH3. When acetone react with same thing HI in the presence of red phosphorus, what happens to that is here 4 moles of hydrogen in the presence of red phosphorus, it giving that is CH3 CH2 then CH3 propane plus water plus 2I2. This is the production. When acetone react with hydrogen iodide in the presence of red phosphorus, it gives propane plus water plus iodine. Everything is balanced student. Here 3 plus 3 6 hydrogens plus 4 10 hydrogens total, and right hand side is also same thing student, 3 plus 2 5 plus 3 8, 8 plus 2 10, everything is balanced. So now I will explain mechanism student for acetone. Mechanism, that is CH3 CCH3 double bond O. In first step, same thing student, here 2 moles of hydrogen iodide are involved. 2 moles of HI is involved, that is 2 moles of HI, that is 1 hydrogen HI, here I am writing here HI. Here 2 moles of HI, 2 moles of HI is involved. So here in first step, now what to student, that is water elimination. In first step is water elimination. In first step is water elimination. I am writing here minus H2O. Remaining, that is CH3 CH3. This in this step, so what happens, that is water is elimination, but here 2 iodines are left. One iodine will attack this position, one iodine will attack this position. We get one iodine will attack this position and one iodine will attack this position. Then after that student, now what to do student, and after that again 2 moles of hydrogen iodide is involved. 2 moles of hydrogen iodide, HI, same thing, HI. Then next step is what happens, that is dehalogenation. Next step is dehalogenation, means removal of halogen. That is next step is here 2 halogens elimination from here, 2 halogen elimination from here, total 4 iodines. Halogen means that is iodines, here 2 iodines from here, 2 iodines here, 2 iodines from here, total that is 2I2, means 4 hydrogen, 2 2s are 4, 2I2 complete, that is minus 2I2, 2I2 is elimination. Here remaining is this 2 hydrogen from here, 2 hydrogens from here. Remaining what to do student? Here 2 hydrogens are left. 1 hydrogen here, 1 hydrogen from here, 1 mole hydrogen left from here. So here this hydrogen will attack this position and this hydrogen will combine with this carbon. So here, so what is the final product student? That is this CH3. Then second, the middle carbon combines with 2 hydrogen. Here also 1 hydrogen, here also 1 hydrogen. Then CH2, then CH3. This is a simple texture plus 2I2. This is the mechanism of acetone reduction with HI in the presence of red phosphorus student. This is a simple trick for mechanism of acetone. Here total in this reaction, how many moles of hydrogen iodide involved student? Here 4 moles of hydrogen iodide are involved. And last one student, that is one more example.